standing there, I heard them giving you a clue. That's when I knew. I closed my eyes to see your face again. I got my backpack ready until the end. I thought it through. It's all for you.